By 2030, the world could face a staggering shortage of 10 million healthcare professionals. At the same time, chronic conditions like diabetes and heart disease are reaching record highs. We're at a breaking point where human capacity alone is no longer enough to meet the demand for care. Welcome to Perspectives. I'm Aarushi Mishra, and today we are exploring how AI-powered platforms are moving out of the lab to become a permanent, intelligent layer of our global medical infrastructure. Now, in recent months, this shift has moved from a trend to a massive industry mandate. Tech giants like Amazon are deploying AI assistants to help patients navigate digital consultations, while CVS Health and Google Cloud are working to unify fragmented pharmacy and medical records into a single intelligent system. With Microsoft and Google pouring billions into tools for clinical decision-making and medical imaging, the financial momentum is undeniable. Global spending on healthcare AI is projected to exceed $180 billion by 2030. But why the sudden urgency? It's because the administrative burden is crushing the profession. Research has shown that for every hour a physician spends with a patient, they spend nearly 2 hours on paperwork and electronic records. AI platforms are being designed to reclaim that time, analyzing vast data sets in seconds, automating documentation, and spotting abnormalities in scans that the human eye might miss. In fields like radiology, these systems are effectively acting as a high-speed co-pilot for diagnosis. However, as AI moves from a tool of assistance to a tool of influence, we hit a critical crossroad. An algorithm is only as reliable as the data it's trained on, and if those data sets are biased or incomplete, the resulting medical predictions will also be biased. Medicine has always been built on a combination of science, judgment, and human trust. For patients, this raises a fundamental question of accountability. For doctors, the challenge is ensuring that technology augments their skills without replacing their judgment. AI is unlikely to replace physicians, that's true, but it will fundamentally redefine how healthcare is delivered now. If implemented responsibly, these platforms could slash medical errors and expand access to millions. Now, the future of medicine will not be defined by machines alone, but how we choose to design, regulate, and work alongside them. That's all for this episode of Perspectives. I'm Aarushi Mishra, and you're watching The Mainstream.